Think I heard. What the hell? And he left his little buddy out there by
Yeah, he doesn't do it all the time.
He knows he's wrong.
If you're supposed to be there with you are, or, yeah. You need to try to teach them that way, but the other way.
I think it should be considered.
Are you not helping him? Things that are actually
Well, she actually have the white shirts. So I have to do all the paperwork and everything.
Yeah. You can have the motion.
And that's it. I didn't know. What if people there are a lot of help, but they can't do anything else. They can't do anything else. They can do that, but they can't. They go around and start to research. They're learning to search for things and purposes. It's just something to do.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
The person, you can go ahead and search yourself.
Do you want to go out with the safe so you can see it?
No, I've seen it multiple times. I'm not helping that for it.
I think you should go.
You've seen him all those times, or you've done it?
Thank you.
I'm going to go to,
All right.
one of us has to go out and try to do that.
Oh.
All right, good evening. You may be seated. All right, good evening. My name is Commissioner Elizabeth Campbell, and this is the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar for November 5th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. Persons appearing before this court are reminded that they have the right to remain silent and that anything they say could be used against them. Most of you have qualified for a court-appointed attorney. If you have not qualified for a court-appointed attorney, or even if you have, you may retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I will be calling you up individually. When your name is called, please proceed to the podium. At the conclusion of your matter, officers will have paperwork for you. That paperwork will contain my complete orders in your case. It will also contain the dates, times, and locations of your future hearings. All right, we're going to go ahead and start this evening with Gerard Bigman and then Angel Lopez, please.
Good evening, Your Honor.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
1 second. All right, sir, go ahead, state your name.
Yes, Jared Steve Bigman.
And Mr. Bigman, what is your date of birth?
June 28, 1996.
Thank you. All right, you are here this evening because the Coconino County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in their case CR 2020-00282. In that matter, I'm indicating that an attorney should be appointed for you at your next hearing, which will be in the Coconino County Superior Court on November 10th at 8:30 a.m. In that matter, and pursuant to their arrest warrant, I am setting a $5,000 cash-only appearance bond. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would need to go to your hearings as well as contact your probation officer within 72 hours.
Okay. I had a question, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
So I was in Holbrook recently back in September, and I got the bail posted there, and also Coconino wanted another bond, so we just paid $5,000 out of that one, also to that one. Is there a reason why? Is there another $5,000 bond?
So this one is, so I do not have access to Coconino's case system, so I know very little about it. What I do know that this arrest warrant is valid because it was confirmed today, or it wouldn't be on the docket this evening. So I do know that this is for a probation violation or allegations of probation violation, but that's really all I know about it.
Okay, so with that being said, it's like a lot of money within like paying these bonds. Is there a way that you can shorten the amount of that bond?
No, because this is an out-of-county bond, and again, I know I don't have any information on your case. What I do know is that a judicial officer who had a lot more information about your case made the recommendation for a $5,000 cash-only appearance bond, so I'm going to go ahead and honor that this evening.
Okay.
Okay?
So, I'm sorry, interrupt you. So there's no way of me getting released tonight?
No, well, if you go ahead and post that bond, then yes.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork.
Thank you.
Angel Lopez, please, and then Johnny Torres. All right, Mr. Lopez, go ahead, state your name.
Angel Lopez,
And Mr. Lopez, what is your date of birth?
August 4th, 2006.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2022-126834. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your matter, I am setting a $5,000 secured appearance bond. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours, and you would need to go to your hearings.
Ma'am, I got a question.
Yes, sir.
Is there any way you guys could lower the bond? Because I'm homeless at the moment, and I've been homeless for the longest.
So, one, it looks like you are on probation for a serious felony offense.
Yes.
It also looks like you've been reinstated once. And it looks like, and I'm basing this off the petition to revoke your probation. It also looks like you have been out of contact since approximately the middle of June.
Yes.
All right, all that being said, I think that the $5,000 secured appearance bond is appropriate in this case.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, go ahead, step to left. Officer has your paperwork for you.
Thank you.
All right, Johnny Torres, please. And then Jordan Thompson.
Hey, I'll be right back. Let me go find Torres.
Okay. Could we move Mr. Torres towards the bottom? All right. Jordan Thompson. And then David Angulo.
Jordan Thompson.
Hello, please state your name. Oh, well, yeah, I just said that. All right, and what is your date of birth?
12/01/03.
Okay. All right, sir, you are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case, CR 2021-146310. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500. Now, I see from my notes that you are currently in the custody of ASPC Alhambra. So even if,
Alhambra? Because I'm in Yuma.
oh, are you in Yuma?
Yeah, I am in Yuma.
Okay. Well, that is my mistake. I'm sorry, but you know where you're at.
Yeah. Well, I did have a quick question, not to interrupt.
I know.
But I have a question. Since I am in DLC custody, is there any way we could set this hearing a lot closer instead of farther, like a lot closer? Because I am trying to just revoke this, whatever, pull my probation. Because I am in DLC and I'm in education, I'm in programs, and there's a lot of things I do have to get back to on the yard. So I was trying to figure out if we could set a date a lot closer.
So,
or like, my bad, I'm sorry about
no, you are fine. I have no control over that.
Okay.
And I, you know, I have other folks, have asked me to move stuff to accommodate them, and I can't.
Okay.
They give me dates and I tell you dates is basically how it works.
What's today's date?
Today's date is the 5th. So your first hearing in this case is November 12th at 8:30.
Okay.
Okay? So I am appointing you an attorney. Can we print it? I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearing on November 12th at 8:30. And as we discussed, I am setting that secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500. However, again, as we discussed, even if you were to post that bond, you would still remain in the custody of ASPC.
Okay.
Okay?
And I'm not going to Alhambra, am I?
Okay. I have no information about where you're going. What I was looking at is the order to secure attendance of a prisoner, which reflects that you were coming from Alhambra. That could have been a paperwork error.
Okay.
Because that's the only reason I thought you were in Alhambra.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we did reprint your paperwork to remove the reference to Alhambra because you said you weren't there.
Yeah, I'm in Yuma, Dakota.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
We'll bring the paperwork over here. Actually, you got it right here. And, Your Honor, it's here now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we move them up. All right, we'll go ahead with David Angulo, and then we'll take Torres if that works for officers. Okay. All right, Mr. Angulo, go ahead and state your name.
David Gregory Angulo,
And Mr. Angulo, what is your date of birth?
11/14/1976.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2019-106245. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a cash-only appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $1,250. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours, and you do need to go to your hearings.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has the paperwork. All right, Mr. Torres? All right, Mr. Torres, go ahead, state your name, please.
Johnny Solomon Torres Jr.
All right, wait, so much slower. I'm sorry, what is your name?
Johnny Solomon Torres Jr.
And Mr. Torres, what is your date of birth?
8/13/91.
All right, sir, you are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations in your cases CR 2023-107941, CR 2021-125029, and CR 2023-155509. In each of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and in each of those matters, I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 23 matter ending 07941, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,500. In your 21 case ending 5029, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,500. In your 23 case ending 5509, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on intensive probation services, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 24 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork. All right, Stephanie Verdugo, please, and then Travis King-Tins. All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name.
Stephanie Verdugo, April 24, 2000.
I'm sorry, say the date of birth a little slower for me.
April 24, 2000.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon your failure to appear in your matter CR 2025-129036. In that matter, I'm not appointing an attorney for you because if you are eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on November 12th at 8:30 and November 14th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000 in your case. All right, in the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, give me just a second. It looks like you are on probation in a different case, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. And Karina, could we reprint that to have the probation information in there? All right, we are reprinting that, so you will have your probation contact reminder. We'll bring it out to you if you want to go ahead and have a seat. All right, Travis Kington. All right, sir, go ahead, state your name.
Travis Scott Armstrong Quintins,
And Mr. Kington, what is your date of birth?
12/10/91.
Thank you. All right, sir. You are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your cases CR 2024-107740, CR 2023-134059, CR 2021-02384, CR 2025-103863, and CR 2025-0037775. In each of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and in each of those hearings, in each of those cases, I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 24 case ending 7740, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In your 23 case ending 4059, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $200. In your 21 case ending 2384, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In your 25 case ending 3863, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $100. And finally, in your 25 case ending 3775, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In the event you are able to post those bonds and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Now, you are also here because you were arrested earlier you were arrested yesterday on charges of possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. Based on the limited information that I have in front of me this evening, I'm not finding probable cause for your new charges. That doesn't mean that those charges are dismissed, and in fact, they are not dismissed. You must still attend the court dates that I will give you, because formal charges may nevertheless be filed. Your failure to appear at the court dates on your new charges could result in a warrant being issued for your arrest. On your new charges, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on November 20th at 8:30 and November 24th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Do you have any questions? All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork. All right, Tricia Minor, please, and then Alex Nunez. All right, ma'am, go ahead, state your name.
Trisha Minor,
And Ms. Minor, what is your date of birth?
3481.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, you are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations in your cases CR 2021-101664 and CR 2022-000874. In both of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and in both of those matters, I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 21 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. And hold on, actually, in your 21 case, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In your 22 case,
Ma'am,
yes.
is there any way I don't have anyone to post bond, and I've been homeless going on and off for the last 8 years. I finally have a place to live. I'm finally working, and I have not gotten any trouble in 2 years. I turned myself in yesterday to the cops, and came in because they told me they would kick me out. So, because I wanted to get everything taken care of and make sure I was doing the right thing. I was tired of having warrants over my head and everything. I don't want to lose my place to live and my job and get back on the street over this, because I'm really trying to do the right thing. I haven't been using, I've been doing good. I've been doing really good.
So according to the Form 4, you, in fact, did not turn yourself in yesterday, that you were picked up at a trailer.
Yes, at my house. I had told them where I was when I called. I told them I was ready. I didn't know what to do, that I had lost contact with my probation officer. She had moved, and in the process of trudging over, I had lost a phone. Like I said, I was homeless, and I didn't know what to do. So I had called down there and told them, I was ready to come in, and they showed up this morning. But I gave them my address. I told them where I was.
All right. In view of the length of time that you have been out of contact with your probation, I do believe that a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500 is appropriate in both of your probation cases. So, in fact, I am.
It was only $250 when I came in, ma'am.
Well, it was $250 when those probation violation warrants were issued 2 years ago. All right, at this point, you have been out of contact with your probation, and frankly, your story is not consistent with what I'm seeing in the information that I have. As a result, I'm going to set a $500 secured appearance bond in your 21 case and a $500 secured appearance bond in your 22 case. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork. Alex Nunez, please.
Good evening, Your Honor.
Good evening, sir. Go ahead, state your name.
Alex Nunez,
And Mr. Nunez, what is your date of birth?
June 19th, 1975.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon your failure to appear in your matter CR 2023-150518. In that matter, I'm not appointing an attorney for you because if you are eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court, and I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in your matter in the amount of $500. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you do need to go to your hearings. Do you have any questions?
No questions, Your Honor, but I just would like to say, as far as not appearing, and I'm not looking for sympathy, just understanding, that I had just lost my mother, and it was a really hectic time, and it was motion to continue after motion to continue in Chandler Court, after motion to continue, sometimes me, sometimes Chandler Court, and it was just a really hectic time, and then next thing I know, it's here in Phoenix, and it just got away from me, and that's the reason for no failure to appear. And I was pretty much on autopilot then, still in shock, and now I'm just getting back into the groove of things, and I do want to resolve the situation. That's all I want to say.
Okay. Well, I hope you are, in fact, back in the groove of things, and I hope that you are able to meet all of your responsibilities. I'm going to go ahead and leave that bond set. Go ahead, step to the left.
Thanks, Sean.
Jesse Ramirez, please. Oh. Skip Mr. Ramirez. And then Victor Mendoza Velasquez.
Who are we looking for?
Ramirez, Jesse Ramirez. And then Velasquez.
Ramirez. Who's Velasquez? You're up next. There.
All right, sir, go ahead, state your name.
Jesse Ramirez, 5696.
All right, sir, you are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probation in your case CR 2024-127483. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In that matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you do need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours, and you need to go to your hearings. All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork. Victor Mendoza Velasquez, please, and then Lorraine Coronado. All right, sir, go ahead, state your name.
Victor Mendoza Velasquez,
And Mr. Mendoza Velasquez, what is your date of birth?
8/29/1972.
All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon allegations that you failed to comply with your probation in your case CR 2024-101527. In that matter, I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your matter, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. In the event you are able to post your bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left. Officer has your paperwork for you.
Okay.
All right, Lorraine Coronado, please, and then Leandra Duncan. All right, Ms. Coronado, go ahead, state your name.
Lorraine Rodriguez Coronado.
And Ms. Coronado, what is your date of birth?
It's 8/6/93.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, you are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon your failure to appear in your matter CR 2023-12983. In that matter, I'm not appointing you an attorney because if you are eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting hearing on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court, and I am also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I am reminding you, you are on probation, so you do need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours, and you need to go to your hearing.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork. All right, Leandra Duncan, please, and then Edgar Dominguez. All right, Ms. Duncan, go ahead, state your name.
Leandra Duncan.
And Ms. Duncan, what is your date of birth?
June 1st, 1982.
All right, ma'am, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for your arrest based upon allegations that you violated your probations in your cases CR 2024-147945 and CR 2024-115558. In both of those matters, I am appointing you an attorney, and in both of those matters, I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In your 24 matter ending 7945, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $100. In your 24 case ending 5558, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. In the event you are able to post your bonds and secure your release, you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours. All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork for you. All right, Edgar Dominguez, please, and then Zachariah Bishop. All right, Mr. Dominguez, go ahead, state your name.
Edgar Marquez Dominguez,
And Mr. Dominguez, what is your date of birth?
6/12/90.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here this evening because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest based upon your failure to appear in your matter CR 2025-115258. In that matter, I'm not appointing you an attorney because if you were eligible to have an attorney appointed, one should already have been appointed for you. You can always retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting a hearing on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. I'm also setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $150. In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, I'm reminding you, you are on probation, so you would need to contact your probation officer within 72 hours, and you do need to go to your hearing.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, step to the left, officer has your paperwork. All right, Zachariah Bishop, please, and then Kirk Seal.
Good evening, Your Honor.
Good evening, sir. Go ahead, state your name.
My name is Zachariah Bishop, and if you need my birth date, it's 3/17/1991.
Thank you. All right, sir, you are here this evening because
Believe me, ma'am, it is super confusing on why I'm in this courtroom. I just got literally sentenced to 81 days.
Okay.
I'm assuming this is for the La Paz case for the excessive speeding.
It is, well, it's, so, and you'll have to forgive me, I'm not really great with Arizona counties, and I know I should be. I've undoubtedly failed some sort of Arizona geography test. It is the Courtside Justice Court. Is that in La Paz?
That's La Paz County.
Okay.
That's correct.
All right, so they issued a warrant for your arrest based upon your failure to appear in their matter stemming from an excessive speeding case. All right. In that matter, I'm indicating that an attorney should be appointed for you at your next hearing for limited representation regarding the bond issue only, because I am setting a $50 secured appearance bond in that matter. The purpose of setting that $50 secured appearance bond is to give you credit for time in custody in that case. If you're going to be here for 81 days anyway, you might as well try to get credit for time in custody, right?
Yes, Your Honor. I do appreciate that. This ticket is over 9 years old, so just the fact that they're trying to, it's like, it's not, as far as I'm aware, this wasn't even supposed to be a non-extraditable ticket. So I don't understand why I'm still getting continually pressed by this particular traffic infraction, because I'm assuming it was upgraded from a traffic violation to a misdemeanor. Is that correct? How would they word this excessive speeding charge?
So it is, they cited, wait, hold on, just give me a second.
My apologies. If I remember correctly, it was excessive speeding over 125 miles.
So you're being charged with ARS 28701.2A3. As I read that statute, and I did look it up, it is a misdemeanor.
Okay.
So at this point, I can't provide you with legal advice.
No,
what I can say is if you're going to be here anyway, you might as well try to get credit for time in custody. According to this warrant, and I've just got the teletype, so it's hard to read. I'm going to be honest, it's hard to read. It said extradite local and adjacent counties only. So
I mean, that's what's very worrisome about this, because technically this is not an adjacent county.
Okay.
Oz County is the border of California. So just the fact that's why I think, because I got pulled over by the state troopers out here for that excessive speeding charge, and I haven't been able to really get it done unless I was actually able to get extradited to courtside.
Okay. So you are going to be in custody anyway. You are going to, according to the information you're giving me, you're going to be in custody on November 10th at 8:30, which is your court date and time for courtside justice court. Should be able to arrange, or officers should be able to, detention officers should be able to arrange for you to appear remotely for that.
Okay.
So
I really do hope so, and my apologies. I do appreciate your honor for reducing that bond, because it's really old. I don't understand why they're still trying to attack me for it, but I'd rather get it taken care of as soon as possible. So I do appreciate that. In
case you ever, it's always good to get these things taken care of so they're not hanging over your head, right?
Yes, ma'am. I actually do have I'm sorry, Your Honor. I actually do have a question. So when I do appear for courtside court, can I reference my time that I'm currently doing incarceration to?
It's yes. I mean, it's public information, right? If that you consider that information relevant, we do tell folks that we do set these placeholder bonds in an effort to give them credit for time in custody. Whether or not you actually get credit for time in custody would, I guess, ultimately be up to courtside, not up to me. But that's my intention there. Okay.
I understand. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead. Step to the left. Officer has your paperwork. All right, Kirk Fell, please. Yes, ma'am. Did I miss someone? I see. All right, Mr. Go ahead, say your name because
Sorry, it's File.
It's File.
Its spelling is ridiculous.
No, it is not. I just didn't know how to say it. All right, Mr. File. Go ahead, state your name.
Kirk Rudolph File.
Okay. And what is your date of birth?
10/12/1992.
All right, sir. You are here this evening because you were charged with criminal damage, a Class 2 misdemeanor, assault, Class 1 misdemeanor, and disorderly conduct fighting a Class 1 misdemeanor. I did find probable cause for all of those. Give me just a second.
What probable cause? Because I never touched them. The criminal damage, I understand. My dad pushed open my bedroom door. I was trying to stay in my bedroom and retreat to my bedroom because my dad is very scary. He does rush me. He gets in my face. And that's what was going on. I retreated to my bedroom, closed the door. As he tried to fight me to open the door to come into my bedroom, the door broke on my side. I was holding the middle of the door, and I will accept that, but I never struck anyone. I never touched anyone. I never did there's no evidence of me being hurt. There's no evidence of them being hurt.
Okay. So the information that I have, Form 4 alleges that the defendant that she slammed a door into victim 1, causing
No.
a visible abrasion to the knee. Due to the force used, the hole in the door occurred consistent with the height of victim 1's knee. And then Form 4 goes on to allege that following Miranda, you did admit to shutting the door on victim 1.
Okay, so if his knee hit the door,
All right, but
I get
here's,
it.
you
Okay.
asked me for my information or what information I'm relying on. That's the information that I'm relying on.
Sure.
Like I said, I did find probable cause. I am indicating that an attorney should be appointed,
And just to
Wait.
can I say something real quick?
Yeah, hold on, let me
Okay,
just
I'm sorry.
get to the end. We are gonna need to reprint that.
I'd just like to say I have no money. I'm homeless at the moment. I have the home.
So let me get to the end, and then if
Okay.
you have questions, and we can deal with questions at the end.
Okay.
All right, because of the nature of those charges, you're not entitled to have me appoint an attorney for you this evening. I am setting a hearing on November 19th at 1 p.m. Will you go to that?
Of course.
Okay. And based upon your promise to appear, I'm releasing you this evening on your own recognizance. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime. You are not to have any contact with any alleged victim. You are not to possess any weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, and no alcohol. You are to obey the terms of any order of protection that is issued or may be issued. You may not reside at the same location as any alleged victim or go to the alleged victim's residence, even if you are an owner or renter of the residence. If you presently reside with any alleged victim, you must find an alternative residence. You can arrange for one civil standby with law enforcement to collect any essential belongings.
Much appreciated.
All right, do you have any questions?
Not at this time, ma'am.
All right, go ahead,
Your
step to
Honor.
left. Officer has your paperwork.
Thank you.
All right, Carlos Molina, please. All right, hold on just a second for me. That's fine. All right, sir, go ahead, state your name.
Carlos Leyva,
And Mr. Leva, what is your date of birth?
07-19-2000.
All right, sir, you are here because the Maricopa County Superior Court issued a warrant for your arrest in a direct complaint matter. That direct complaint alleges that on or about August 24th of 2024, you committed the offense of sale or transportation of narcotic drugs, a Class 2 felony. In that matter, I am not appointing you an attorney because based upon the information that you provided to pretrial services, you're not indigent for purposes of appointing you an attorney. You can, of course, retain an attorney at your own expense to represent you. I am setting hearings on November 20th at 8:30 and November 24th at 8:30, both in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. Will you go to those?
Yes.
Okay, then based upon your promise to appear, I'm going to release you this evening on your own recognizance. Do you need to go to your hearings? If you don't, another warrant may issue for your arrest.
I'll be there.
All right, officer has your paperwork.
Thank you.
Necessary information to
Interpreter, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can. My name is Anna, ID number 386593 with Language Line Solutions, Spanish interpreter. I'm ready for your instructions.
Okay, perfect. My name is Commissioner Campbell. We are going to have two individuals we need your assistance with this evening. Sometimes we have a bit of audio complications. In the event that you are struggling to hear us, I just need you to let us know, and please don't hang up, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Officer, are we ready with Berenice?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Roman Navarrete, will you please state your name?
Berenice.
We have to wait.
Berenice.
Yeah. Interpreter, will you please explain to Ms. Roman Navarrete that we have to speak through your services?
Muy buenas tardes, señora Román. Debo dejarle saber que debemos de hablar a través de los servicios de interpretación. Ahora sí, si puede declarar su nombre, por favor.
Berenice Román Nafarrate.
Berenice Román Navarrete.
Ajá.
And Ms. Roman Navarrete, what is your date of birth?
Y señora Román Navarrete, ¿cuál es su fecha de nacimiento?
Enero 27 del 85.
January 27 of 85.
All right, ma'am, you are here this evening because you were arrested yesterday on charges of transportation and or sale of dangerous drugs, a Class 2 felony.
Muy bien, usted se encuentra aquí esta noche, señora, porque fue arrestada anoche por transporte de drogas, que es una felonía clase 2.
I am appointing you an attorney, and I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 and November 14th at 8:30.
Le voy a poner un abogado y le vamos a poner una audiencia el 12 de noviembre a las 8:30 y luego el 14 de noviembre a las 8:30.
Both of those hearings will be in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
Ambas audiencias van a ser en la Corte Superior de Maricopa del Downtown.
In your matter, I am setting a cash-only appearance bond in the amount of $100,000.
En cuanto a usted, le voy a poner una fianza que solo puede ser en efectivo por la cantidad de $100,000.
In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions.
En caso que usted pueda pagar esa fianza y asegurar su liberación, se le va a poner condiciones al liberarla. Go ahead.
Those include electronic monitoring, house arrest,
Eso va a incluir arresto domiciliar con monitoreo electrónico. Go ahead.
and you are not to have any contact with any co-defendants.
Y no debe de tener ningún contacto con ningún codefendiente.
Officer has your paperwork. If you want to go ahead, step to your left.
El oficial tiene su papeleo si quiere pasar a mano izquierda.
Okay. Gracias.
Thank you.
All right. And hold on for us just a second, interpreter. We're going to switch people out.
Sure.
Interpreter, we're still waiting.
No worries.
I just didn't want you to think we'd hung up on you or anything.
No. Okay.
All right, interpreter, if you want to just hang on for just a second, I have one house call I need to read on into the record. I'm going to do that, and then as soon as Mr. Perez gets here, we'll go to Mr. Perez's matter. Does that suit you okay?
That sounds great. I'll be waiting here.
Okay, thank you. All right, we have one house call this evening. Our house call is Jonathan Wire. Mr. Wire's date of birth is 6/9/1989. Mr. Wire is before the court this evening because Maricopa County Superior Court issued warrants for his arrest. Actually, let me back that up. Mr. Wire is here because he is currently on probation and his case is CR 2024-115438 and CR 2025-120921. In both of those cases, his new charges in Phoenix City Court Case 300013101, which is obstructing a highway and resisting police, would constitute an alleged Term 1 violation of his existing probation cases. In his probation cases, I am appointing him an attorney, and I am setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court. In each of his probation cases, I am setting a secured appearance bond in the amount of $250. If anything changes after I talk to Mr. Wire in jail, I will update my written orders in his case. Interpreter, thank you for being so patient and bearing with us.
My pleasure.
You guys really are bringing Mr. Perez in, right?
Yeah. Oh, did you? I'm so sorry. Were you waiting on us? Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought we were waiting on him to get here.
No, oh no, he was right there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I thought, that's why I was like, oh, yeah, sorry about that.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Miscommunication. Yeah, he was in here the whole time.
Okay, perfect. All right, interpreter, let's go ahead and get started. All right, Mr. Perez, go ahead, state your name.
Muy bien, muy buenas tardes, señor Pérez. ¿Puede dar su nombre, por favor?
Leonel Pérez Armenta. Leonel Pérez Armenta.
Pérez.
Pérez Armenta, Leonel.
Pérez Armenta Lionel.
Ajá.
All right, Mr. Perez Armenta, what is your date of birth?
Señor Pérez Armenta, ¿cuál es su fecha de nacimiento?
28 de noviembre de 1996.
November 28, 1996.
November 28th or November 26th?
November
28 de noviembre o 26. Dice el 26 de noviembre o el 28 de noviembre.
28.
All right. Karina, can we make a note of that?
I'm not sure.
So the only note that I can do is in the comments on ISIS, but I'm not sure if it translates.
Okay. All right. All right, sir, you are here this evening because you have been charged with transportation and/or sale of dangerous drugs, a Class 2 felony.
Muy bien, se encuentra usted aquí el día de hoy porque se le han puesto cargos por transporte y venta de drogas peligrosas, que es una felonía clase 2. Go ahead.
Possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, a Class 4 felony.
Posesión de una arma por una persona que está prohibida tenerla, que es una felonía clase 4. Go ahead.
Possession of a weapon in a drug offense, a Class 4 felony.
Y posesión de una arma en una ofensa de drogas, que es una felonía clase 4 también.
Did find probable cause for all of those.
Encontré causa probable para todos estos. Go ahead.
And I am appointing you an attorney.
Le estaré poniendo un abogado.
Karina, we do need to, hold on for me, interpreter, or you can interpret. We do need to reprint that to account for the co-defendant for the attorney appointment.
Oh.
All right. As I said, I'm sorry, go ahead, interpreter.
Necesitamos imprimir eso nuevamente para tomar en cuenta el coacusado. Permítame un momento. Go ahead.
All right, I'm setting hearings on November 12th at 8:30 and November 14th at 8:30.
Le voy a poner audiencia para el 11 de noviembre, perdón, el 12 de noviembre a las 8:30 y el 14 de noviembre a las 8:30.
Both of those hearings will be in the downtown Maricopa County Superior Court.
Ambas audiencias serán se llevarán a cabo en el Tribunal Superior del Condado de Maricopa, en el centro de la ciudad. Go ahead.
In your matter, I am setting a $100,000 cash-only appearance bond.
En el asunto suyo, yo voy a ponerle una fianza de $100,000 en efectivo. Go ahead.
In the event you are able to post that bond and secure your release, you would be subject to certain release conditions, including electronic monitoring, house arrest.
En caso que usted pueda pagar esa fianza y asegurar su libertad, se le pondrán condiciones en su liberación, incluyendo un monitoreo y arresto domiciliario. Go ahead.
And you are not to have any contact with any co-defendant.
Y no debe tener ningún contacto con un coacusado. Go ahead.
All right. Officers have your paperwork for you. If you want to go ahead, step to the left.
Los oficiales tienen su papeleo. Si puede pasar al lado izquierdo.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right, interpreter, thank you so much for your assistance this evening. We really appreciated it.
It was a pleasure, Commissioner Campbell. Thank you for using our services. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, that brings us to the end of our 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar. We are going to go ahead and stand adjourned until 11, and we are off.